You can see that they actually aimed at the driver. You can see the bullet hole. I'd like to inform Lagosians that the Lagos State Police Command, under the stewardship of CP Adegoke Fayode, MNI, recorded a major breakthrough yesterday, Thursday, July 4, 2024. Our intelligence gathering assets yielded very credible and actionable intelligence about a dangerous and very notorious gang of kidnappers planning to kidnap some high net worth individuals in Lagos. Upon receipt of this intelligence about 2 weeks ago, CP Fayode directed the command's tactical teams to commence work on it. They followed up closely, monitored dutifully, and were able to determine that the gang was going to strike yesterday in Ladipo area of Lagos State. With the benefit of this information, we were able to proactively prepare for them and more or less laid an ambush for them. The kidnappers who were caught unawares would not give up easily as they engaged the police officers in a shootout. They of course bowed to the superior firepower of the police. 9 of them were neutralized, while 2 escaped with gunshot injuries. 4 AK-47 rifles, 4 locally made semi-automatic pistols, 9 AK-47 magazines, 3 walkie-talkies, 1 POS machine, and a loudspeaker were recovered from them. Also recovered, there are 2 operational vehicles, 1 black Toyota 4Runner and a blue Lexus RX 350. Meanwhile, investigations are ongoing to arrest the fleeing suspects. It is worthy of note that the command had been on the trail of this gang for the past 8 months for their numerous kidnappings of wealthy individuals in Isolo, Okota, Ejigbo, and Ladipo areas of Lagos State. We are proud to declare that their reign of terror has effectively come to an end. This breakthrough is in addition to several other breakthroughs we have made in recent times in identifying and apprehending gangs of kidnappers and armed robbers while planning their crimes. Many of these were not made public so as to protect the identity of members of the public that made the information available. We urge everyone, including medical practitioners, to be on the lookout for anyone with gunshot injuries and promptly inform the nearest police station or call any of our emergency numbers if they come across any. We also use this medium to call on other well-meaning Lagosians not to hesitate in giving us information when they suspect anything amiss around them to enable us act appropriately and swiftly. On our part, we promise to continue to prioritize their safety and security. I can confirm that some are from outside Lagos State. They have their gang members, some in Lagos State too. So they grouped to do this. But I don't want to mention what part of the country they came from so that I don't run the risk of labeling any part of the country. But from outside Lagos and from within Lagos. So what are we doing to arrest the 2 that escaped? I said in the briefing I read that we are working to get them arrested. We equally call on members of the public to report any sighting of any person they see with gunshot injuries. But that aside, we are working seriously. The same way we worked a lot to discover the place they were going to operate yesterday. That same way we are working seriously to ensure that we get them arrested. And it's only a matter of time they will be arrested. And they are not regrouping. 2 people can't be a group. So they are already decimated. And I can assure Lagosians that we will get them arrested. And who are the victims? They will be victims. They prefer their privacy. We know them. We know the exact people that we're going to get yesterday. So that helped us to lay an ambush for them. And they would be victims too are aware. At least we did that diligence to let them know that you just escaped something. But they prefer their privacy and would not like to reveal that. I think I've answered all of the questions. So the firearms recovered from them and other things, and the vehicles, the operational vehicles are there. You are free to capture them. Thank you.